The terrain here is rough. It is like, many people have mentioned it, it's like living on Mars. There's nothing here. If you look at this landscape, I think it would be hard to survive if they just dropped you off here, unless you had a net to catch fish. I just came back from Bolivia, and you know, wading through this water is probably more difficult because the rocks are more sharp, they're a lot more slippery. I got smoked on the shin. The terrain is really, really rough, but at the same time, it's just beautiful. You can actually sit back and just take it in, because this is not something you'll see every day. A small one and a big one. That's the way to start your morning. Double up. We're somewhere on this Orange River right now for the first morning. Last night was our first official night. And now we're gonna drift downstream. We're gonna drift to a new spot. Around by lunchtime we're gonna set up camp and everything like that, and then we're gonna fish around that area, and we're just gonna wade through the water, but we're gonna fish along the way. So fishing starts in about an hour. It only gets good when it gets really warm, so we don't mind sitting in and sleeping in a little bit. But it's only, what is it? It's only 7 o'clock now, so it's still early. Packing up, getting everything ready, and then we're gonna hit it. Hoping to catch a big largie. That's a big largemouth yellowfish on fly. That's the game. And they can get up to about 20-25 pounds. So hoping for one of those.
You want to catch me with the greed in your words. I'm keeping me captive, put locks on the doors. Did your best to scare me off, try to put to rest my voice. To make me think I don't have much of a choice. Pushing me when I was down, playing low tricks from behind, looking for new ways to take control of my mind. But I'm alive. I'm gonna feel the warmth of the sound, hear the beat of the drums, feel the wind blowing on my face. I let it look around with my ears to the ground, send some vibes straight up to your base. Where you base around your golden cage, got me dancing cool the rage. Yeah, it postcards from the whole wide world. Where things are happening so fast, got my bite you in the ass. I know they want to end up getting burned.
Oh, it's a largie! It's a largie! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Tyler, you don't know what this is.
That is a beautiful fish,
You don't know what this is. This is a fish you'll never catch again in your life.
I'm gonna catch another one right now.
This is a fish, this is a 10 pound, 15 pound larges.
In vain, when the riches disappear, you know the mind is turning bliss into tears. And I'm alive.
I can go drive back to Cape Town today. I mean, that was amazing. Well done. Well done. On fly. Only counts on fly.
Make it to us tonight, just thinking of the days, no seas, and miles divide us.
Am I smiling? Am I angry? Who fucking knows?
I always say to myself, like, since I've known you, you're like a really cool, like, chilled guy. So you're super
No, I'm not super competitive. Contrary to belief, I'm actually not super competitive. I don't like to make mistakes when I'm in control of things. That's all. So like, I'm in control of tying my own knots and everything like that. If I snap, then I'm gonna get pissed off because that's upsetting.
I still don't want to lose. I don't want just a fish to snap you off with my knots.
Yeah, no, then you're
fucking
done. Then you're done.
Super competitive human being. Yes. And he tells me he's not competitive. We all know how big competitive that oak is.
I'm getting the flat ground on the furthest.
Things are possible. That's what they told me.
I think just being out here just takes you away from, you know, everyday living, you know. I'm going to be back in Cape Town, there's going to be traffic, there's going to be cars honking, my cell phone's going to be going wild, I'm going to get calls to go to gym or to go and train. Whereas when you're out here, there's none of that, you know. You don't hear a car, you don't hear a hooter, you don't see other people. You're made to kind of live the way that we, I guess, started off in the very beginning of mankind.